We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone not connecting to a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem's annoying as you're then unable to go and access it from your File Explorer perhaps, or the Apple Devices app, which is where you can go and back up your iPhone. Press search at the bottom of your computer and type in settings and open them up. Go to the left and press Bluetooth and devices, find the option view more devices or go and click devices. Scroll down into other devices and find iPhone, press the three dots to the right and press remove device. If it isn't showing up there, don't worry. After it's been removed, go and unplug it, then open up your settings. Scroll down to general, scroll to the bottom and press transfer or reset iPhone, press reset at the bottom, and we're going to go and reset the privacy and location settings. Tap there and confirm your decision. They will be reset. Now plug your iPhone back into your computer like so. When you do this, you should go and get a trust pop-up. Press trust and you can then go and enter in your passcode. Hopefully now it goes and shows up in your computer, whether that's File Explorer or the Apple Devices app. Otherwise, you can try doing a restart on both devices and that should fix it.